Good morning, everyone. Today we are off to Millington, Illinois. Millington, Illinois is about an hour outside Chicago, Illinois. We are going to a small little community. I'm not sure if any of you know where Yorkville, Illinois is, but it's about 10 minutes west of that. It is a cute little town where you can find peaceful living, waterfront views, and sunsets with a little bit of the wildlife that comes with it. I have sold many homes in the area, and it's a very peaceful community. So come on, take a ride with me, and let's go see what Millington, Illinois has to offer. Hi, we're in Millington, Illinois, like I promised. As you can see behind me, there's a home, and we're going to tour it. I want to show you a few things about Millington. Look at the view. What do you see? Separation between the homes. This home has a lot to offer. Check out that roof line. That's one you don't see every day. Solid brick and stone home. Makes this home worth seeing. That unique statue right there, the current owner, he made that. He's a pipe fitter and decided to create some things, and you'll see more in the back. I will tell you, you're going to want to stick around for the backyard because this home has it all. There's a lot of care in this landscaping. The people that own this home currently has pride. We're here at a home inspection for my buyer. They are in love with this home. There's so much this home has to offer. And thanks to Cindy Heckelsberg for allowing me to be the winning offer on this home. This is a unique place. And it is one you don't want to miss. So stay tuned and we will show you pretty much the home of your dreams. Especially if you like water, sunsets, and sunrises. This home has it all. Even wildlife. Brick paver walkway. Look at all the landscaping. It's crazy. You'll see more later. Look at this atrium. You do not see this in every home. There's so many unique phases to this home. It's insane. Small little water fountain. That's kind of cool. The view there from this porch. You know, you can't beat it. Look at there. Welcome to our home. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer. one of the bedrooms. Got its own personal walk-in closet. That's some space. Wait till you see this. This bedroom has its own private bath. A lot of care and detail in this home. The best part, it's got its own little refrigerator, guys. That is so cool. Take a peek out this window. You have your own entrance. If you really want an in-law, you've got a private little entrance for them to come in, and you never have to see them. Haha. That sink, you don't find those everywhere. It's a farm style sink that is very elegant. Pocket doors. That door at the entry, look how tall it is. Look how tall the ceilings are. You have 12-foot ceilings here. A real wood-burning stove. How about the wet bar? Now that's cool. Take a peek at that deck. Oh, you know, we'll come back to that later. Family room. How cute is that little she shed? Look at that backyard. Off to the master. A frame. Here's your view when you wake up every single morning. How peaceful is that? Oh, I love the barn door in front of the bathroom. Check out the closet. Perfect for holding those extra clothes, because there's even more closet to offer. Perfect little hanging area. Plenty of storage in this home. This shower, look at that. So many things this home has to offer, as I said. More than one person can fit in this shower. You feeling like you want to take a little soak? You got some jetted tub. You got a cute little view out there. Again, your farm style sinks. A lot of care has taken place in this home. You've got your own personal washer dryer with extra storage. So tell me, who wouldn't want to live here? Look at the view from the bedroom. Want to stay in communication with your guests? Cute little cove for your coffee bar. Extra oven for those holiday events. This 2-car garage, well, it offers an above attic space that I'm told is out of this world. I haven't been up there because it's really hot here today. Got a little powder room just off the dining room, which is perfect for your guests. And then you've got your secondary bedroom. It overlooks the front of the home. Perfect for an office space. Extra closet space. Now I'll take you downstairs. This area has it all. Has a cute little cozy room for your in-law to come visit and stay for a while. Its own private walk-in shower, sink and toilet. Some care and concern has gone into this. Got a freezer space. You've got your escape window if you need to. And come back here. The storage in this home is immense. You have so much storage. This would be real easy to finish. Create extra living area if you so choose. Got a safe. I don't know what that's about, but hey. They did the thing right. They tucked away the HVAC system into a little cove so that it's not in the center of your basement. And then you have the man's room, the workshop. As I promised, this home has a lot to offer. And it's one you're not going to want to miss. Know what a well is? Came out another door and look at the view for the living area from this door. You can make this a small little bedroom, office, or whatever you're feeling. There's extra room back there, remember, to grow. They just have this made because only a couple of people living here right now, and they don't need to use that extra space. I've got to show you the kitchen, and then remember, as I promised, I'm going to show you that backyard, so you're going to want to stay tuned for that one. Look at the cute, quaint kitchen. Your oven over here. That's that second oven I talked about. A dishwasher. Microwave. I like that, but I'd like that hanging. Little pantry. And remember what I talked about? That backyard view? Now is the time to see that. We're going to use the guest quarters to go out back. Out here, you have the wildlife. You'll see the deer grazing. You'll see chipmunks playing. You'll get some raccoons. You got a little watering source for animals. But look at there, the river view. Can you believe the view on this home? It's intense. I promised you it would be a view that you wouldn't want to miss. There is so much this home has to offer. Got a composite deck, which is beautiful. I'm told that's a bird feeder. I still ain't figured it out yet though. But you have a nice little burn pit, another water fountain. Let's go take a look. That's the she shed again from this angle. Kind of crazy. For those days that you want to mess with plants. Brick patio. They use the golf cart to get themselves down there. Or you can take this down to this shed, which is unique. This home has so much, guys. That's your land over there as well. It goes all the way just past those trees. The seller of this house is gonna miss this. You don't get this in every home you see. Only in Millington, Illinois will you find something like this. Looking for a unique place to live? Feel free to give me a call. I'll help you find the home of your dreams as well. The meadows. There is just so much this home has to offer, guys. It's crazy. Like I said, this is Tammy Rodrigues with Generation Home Pro. Feel free to give me a call or text. And if you like this video, click and subscribe, because there are more coming. Have a great day, everyone.